Hey guys and girls, so I just wanted to show you how to do a quick print and cut. So with my image, this is the one I've chosen. It is a print and cut image, and you can see there the function says print and cut, and I'm using my maker. You say make it. Then here under print and cut, I've got a material size. I'm using the letter size, and it also generates where it's going to be placed on my mat. And I say continue. So it says letter there, and I say send to printer. So this is the print I'm using. I'm just going to turn my bleed off because I don't need that for this. And then I say print. And there it is. So this is what I'm using. I'm using the Cricut printable vinyl, and if you look at the measurements, it's 21 by 28. So it's not actually A4. It's letter sizing. And here's the printer, and these are your markers that it's going to scan when I put it into my maker. Now I am going to leave it to dry a little bit because I have learned from previous times it will smudge if I go over it. But also a little hack is just move these rollers out the way, because if they don't roll over it, then it can't smudge it. Okay, so I am going to use my standard grip mat. It's not as sticky, it's not a brand new mat, so I'm not too stressed about it. Plus this is Cricut actual vinyl, printable vinyl, so it's more similar to vinyl than it is to cardstock. And then you just place it on your mat in the corner like you would do anything else. And make sure it is secured down. I'm going to use my roller now to do that. And then we go from there. Okay, so I'm going to use the printable vinyl in white with grey liner printing. You can see it's a Cricut brand one on the side there. Then we load our machine. And we press go. And it's going to scan the registration mark, so that's what the light is for, to make sure that it knows where to cut. And now it's going to cut. Okay, and then we offload it. We can check our cut. So we take it, and it is short on the bottom here, so we just take it off there. What's nice is this setting doesn't cut through the backing, so if you choose a different setting it would cut through the backing. You can see my printing cut is slightly off because there's a board on the one side and there isn't on the other, but it's fine for what I'm using it for. It really doesn't matter. I'm using it on a diary. And all you do is you take it off and you put it onto your item. And there you have it. So I just placed it on a notebook. And that's the vinyl that I used. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!